Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you my upcoming online card class for December 2023. In this class, we will be creating 6 Fun Fold Handmade Cards with your choice of stamp set. I will be making my cards with the Magical Meadow and the translucent floral bundles. So they also come with coordinating dies. Make sure to get the coordinating dies for the stamp set that you choose to use. You can see a product list below in the description or on my blog, creativechelsea.com. You can choose which set you want to use or pick one that you already own. Look for beautiful floral or meadow plants like ferns, berries, things like that. Those images will work well with the soft blues and greens in these cards. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class with beautiful, fun fold cards. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form, and I will link it up here in one of the corners, or you can visit my blog for more information, and the link for that is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's go check them out now. Here are the cards we will be creating in this Fun Fold card class. These cards celebrate the beautiful colors of winter. They are perfect for any celebration, special occasion, or just to send a note of friendship during this time of year. Each card has a unique Fun Fold design and will come with a PDF template, so you can continue to make these fun folds all year long. This class will be full of great tips and tricks to get the most out of your craft supplies. Don't miss it. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. This class will run from Monday, December 11th through Saturday, December 16th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or they can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35, and you can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description box. Registration for this class closes on Sunday, November 26th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes for all 6 cards. No pre-cut shapes will be included. 6 6x6 Winter Meadow Designer Series paper. A new pack of rhinestone basic jewels, and a new pack of the Simply Elegant trim, which comes in both silver and gold. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the trim and the rhinestones. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group, so that you can watch the replays at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card and the Fun Fold templates in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with the PDFs with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will need a stamp set or bundle. I recommend the Translucent Florals bundle, which includes the translucent floral dies and stamp set, or the Magical Meadow bundle, which includes the Magical Meadow dies and stamp set. You will also want to have these nested essential dies or a similar label die, something that's going to cut out greetings and create some fun shapes for you to use on your cards. The ink colors that you will want are Shaded Spruce, Pretty Peacock, Pebbled Path, Moody Mauve, Lost Lagoon, and Blueberry Bushel. You will also want to have some blending brushes, and you're going to need them for the Moody Mauve color, the Blueberry Bushel color, and I think it's Shaded Spruce. I also use some blends on my techniques, and I have the Blueberry Bushel Stampin' Blends, the Lost Lagoon Stampin' Blends, and the Shaded Spruce Stampin' Blends as well. And then the last thing is an embossing folder, and I'm using the Snowflake Sky 3D embossing folder for my cards, but you could substitute it with an embossing folder that you already have. These cards also have a lot of scoring and cutting, so you will want to have your Stampin' Up! Paper trimmer with both a cutting and scoring blade. And because of the small details, you will want to have some adhesive sheets. And I do have a technique or two that use masking paper, so you might want to also have that on hand. Here are the tools and adhesive you will need. You will want some scissors. I like to use paper snips and ribbon scissors, bone folder, take a pick tool, a Simply chamois or another way to clean your stamps. You will need to double check and make sure you have the coordinating clear blocks, a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. We've also got my favorite adhesives, which are glue dots, dimensionals, liquid glue, Stampin' Seal or the Stampin' Seal Plus, and some tear and tape. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.